Assalamu alaikum. Today we have arranged tree plantation program for class KG section theory. We will see what type of plants did the students bring today. What's your name?
My name is Faisha Said.
What is the name of the plant?
My plant's name is Lily.
Lily. Thank you. Sit down. What's your name?
My name is Afifa Siddiqa.
What's the name of your plant?
Noam Tara.
Oh, very good. Thank you. Rufaida. Your name is Rufaida. What's the name of your plant?
China Rose.
Yes, China rose. It's so lovely. Let us see. Very good. Thank you. Let's see. There are lots of plants they have brought today. Okay, let's see this one. What's your name?
My name is Shiza. This is my grape.
Grape. It's a grape plant. Wow, mashallah. Let's see. It's a marigold. Jarif, what's the name of a plant?
Marigold.
Marigold. Very good. It's so beautiful. This one is so lovely. Safi has brought okay, this is all for today. Thank you. Hello. What's your name?
My name is Nusabislam Nagi.
What's the name of a plant? Tulsi. Very beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. What's your name?
My name is Ajit Sabahat.
What's the name of a plant?
And lavender.
It's alamanda. So beautiful and lovely. What's the name? What's the name of the plant? Taro. So lovely. Madi, you have brought a very beautiful plant. Good. What's your name?
My name is Saif.
What's the name of the plant? Aloe vera. What's your name?
My name is Tasmu Bakhtar.
What plant did you brought today?
Togo.
Taro. Good. What's your name?
My name is Muhammad Rahman.
What's the name of a plant?
Okay.
What's your name?
My name is Olivia.
What's the name of a plant?
Manipur.
Money plant. Another aloe vera. This is also Taro. Arthur tuna.